Hello, I'm here to show you a tutorial on how to request for more licenses for your Google for Education account. So note that this tutorial is for admins. So if you're not an admin of your account, you won't be able to apply this and you won't be able to request for more licenses. You need to be a super admin. How do you know if you're a super admin? First, if you go to admin.google.com and you're able to access this dashboard that I can see right now on the screen, then that means you are a super admin of your G Suite account. The other way to know is if you click on the grid. I call this the waffle. When I click on the waffle and you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the admin icon right there. And if you see the admin icon, that means you have admin access. Having admin access doesn't mean that you're a super admin, okay? Usually you can be an admin as well and have only a few icons appear in your dashboard. So if you see only one or two icons right here, then that means you may not be a super admin. But if you can see all of the icons that I can see, then that means you are a super admin of your account. How do you now? Let's launch into requesting for more licenses. Requesting for more licenses is easy. We all know that when you have a G Suite for Education account, you would have unlimited licenses for your users as well as unlimited storage for their files. But when you apply for G Suite for Education for the first time, you are usually asked how many licenses do you need on the first setup. And more often than not after 2 years or 3 years of having your G Suite for Education account, you will find that you're already pushing, you're pushing into these the limit of the number of licenses that you initially requested for your school. And for you to add very easily, just click on the support icon. So the support icon can be found here at the top, the question mark there, or you can click on the support question mark on the dashboard. So just click on that. So let me just go ahead and do that now. You'll see there's a pop-up window here. And in this pop-up window, there is a contact support. So a while ago, I was already here and I clicked on contact support. And then it would ask you what eligible products you would like help with. And just go ahead and click on G Suite. And then, how would you like to contact support? You'll be given three methods or three options on contacting support. Chat is definitely recommended and it's fast. If you're if you're like me, I like to call. And so I would normally click on phone and it will generate a PIN code that will be effective for 60 minutes. So as soon as I call, it will ask me for the PIN and that PIN will prove that I'm an admin of this account. So I usually call because I like being able to talk to people, especially now. The other thing is you can also email if you would like a record of, say, the thread of your request, especially if you need to report to your superiors, for example, and let them know what's been happening. Then at least you have an email thread that you can show them this is the request that you have made. So make sure that when you do that, though, when you either do chat, phone, or email, that you clearly specify your G Suite domain. And if you whatever your domain is, your school.edu, for example, whatever the domain is, you're gonna need to specify that as well as the number of licenses that you will need. I would suggest that you understand more about the rate of growth that you have for your school. So, for example, in the next 3 years, you know that your school is going to grow this much, then it might be a good idea for you to request the licenses that you're going to need for the next 3 years so you don't have to keep requesting every year. Although, again, the process for request is actually quite easy. So that's all you need to do. I hope that helps you to request for more licenses for the start, just in time for the start of this school year. Thank you very much for watching and see you again next time.